But right here, you can clearly see if I would have used the bodies, let me show you. It would be the same thing. Look, but it would be tighter. See it? Body. Now also notice our trend line is getting more narrow. Do you guys see it? Here,
Yes, sir.
here, here. It's getting heavier, 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 right?
Yeah, every time it gets close to that 440, I mean, the volume on the buy side just jumps. So,
Oh yeah, yeah. Everybody's buying at 440 because they're all anticipating the pop of 440. That's why I said though, this is the fourth time it's gotten there. These buyers have got to start going, okay, man, this isn't any good anymore, right? Because the more times it touches, the weaker it will get. Again, this has to break through here because what's going to happen, ladies and gentlemen, you see this trend line I drew. If it pops above this, right, it's going to give all the buyers momentum because they're going to be like, we finally won. And then it's going to rip my face clean off. This could be one of my last attempts to get out. Do you see it?